In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Instagram story comments. So what that means is if you would have a story, people can comment on them, but there's an easy way to turn that stuff off just in case you don't want people to do that on your stories. So go to Instagram and we're just going to pick a story here of mine. And down here right below it actually says say something, so you can physically make a comment on it, make a hashtag on it, anything that you really want. But what you can do is go to the three dots at the bottom right corner here, and you're going to get a bunch of options, and you can simply turn off commenting for that story, and it's going to turn off commenting for that specific story. So if you have multiple stories, you would have to go through each one. But a quicker and easier way to do that for all of your stories, just on a permanent basis, is going to your profile at the bottom right corner, and then going to the three bars at the top right here. And that's going to give you a bunch of options. So go ahead and scroll down until you see this section where it says how others can interact with you, and go to your comments. And then from here, go to your stories. As you see, I have it checked on everyone, but you can simply just turn off and have it completely off. And that's it. That's how you would go about turning off your Instagram story comments. And there's two easy ways to do it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.